Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Honor Watch 6 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download additional watch faces on your watch. So let's get started. So if you want to download additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Honor Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can open the Honor Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch, and in the app you can tap on device, and here you should see your Honor Watch 6. Tap on it, and now we can tap on the My Watch Face option right here. It will open this page. Then you can tap on recommended, and here we have the list of watch faces we can download. There's quite a few of them, as you can see. So find the watch face you enjoy, and once you find something you like, tap on it, then tap on download. It will start downloading and then installing, and after it's done installing, it will be applied on your watch. And you can install multiple watch faces. At some point you probably will run out of space for them, and you can resolve this by going to the Me category. Here you can find the watch face you want to remove, then tap on edit, confirm, and then you can tap on the X button next to the watch face you want to remove it, and tap on the check mark. And once you remove the watch face, you can download more if you want. Okay, and basically that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.